Well, since a lot of you asked some questions about my Santa Maria grill, I decided to make a part 2 with more details on it. So here it goes. As mentioned, these parts here were bought at a garden section of any Home Depot or hardware store. They come 40-inch long, 3-inch wide by 8. So they're easy to work with. Let me show you something. This was one part of it. So you can cut them to length very easy with a grinder. With a very small grinder like this with a few blades. And you just try to trace yourself a line all around, and then you use the grinder, and you grind it for about 3/4 of an inch all around, and then you hammer it, and it's gonna come nice and sharp all around. So that's one way of doing it. I think it's the best way to do it. So on the top section here, I've got 2 layers, and they are stacked up and glued together with cement. Just a small cement bead, pure cement, and you just glue it on there and it's going to be just fine. Fire bricks. Fire bricks are a must. You can't go without those. If you don't use them, well, your cement's going to crack and it won't last a long time. So even those, they're not glued, they're just stacked in there, and even the bottom part, just like that, all around inside, on the bottom. That's easy made, just like that. As for the contour for the grill, it's aluminum, and it's about 3/4 by 3/4. It's a corner, and you just cut them to length. And I have used heavy-duty rivets with a steel plate, steel corner right under. So I did my 4 corners like that, and I have doubled these parts here for more strength, so it won't bend. But I've been using it for 1 year and nothing has bent. As for this system here, well, let me show you in details. Well, you got your struts. The electrician uses them. They're made just like that. And I went at the shop and I made myself a corner piece that goes into it, and it slides in it real good. See? So this thing here, that's what holding the grill. It goes up and down. The grill is sitting on it right here. If you don't have a shop, well, you could use a corner steel, a bit thinner, but it's okay. These grills were also bought at Home Depot or any hardware store. They're made by Broil King, and they're easy put in there, remove and clean. They're stainless steel. It cost a few bucks, but it's worth it. And the system is attached with a chain that goes to this 1/2 inch steel bar, and everything goes up and down, as you know. I just put myself a small hook here, and that's the way it goes. You'll be needing a cement base because this thing is heavy. Just a slab countertop weighs about 200 pounds, so it's quite heavy. And let me show you how I made this. I have used melamine for this, and you just cut yourself a board to the size you need or you want. You make a hole in the center and you make a contour 2 inch high, and you screw those on top all around you screw those on top, even on the corner here, 4 small pieces. And then you pour your cement in there, and you put 4 rods, half an inch the whole length of steel, and you just pour your cement, your concrete in there, and you let it dry for about 48 hours, and then you unmold it, and that's going to be your countertop. It's nice and slick, nice finish, don't need more than that. Question here: to have some nice round corners, you put a bead of silicone all around inside, so you're gonna have some nice rounded corners. Everything in here is removable. Even this part, you just remove your fire brakes in the front, or part of it. Just remove it like this. That's the way it goes. It's easier to clean it. Put it back on. Put back your fire brakes. Corners. Same here. Back your grill. There you go. As for the contour, these are not ceramic, they're porcelain tiles. That's what you got to put on there. Ceramic porcelain tiles. Well, if you like that barbecue, thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.